Alright, so I'm not going to waste too much time explaining exactly what ChatGPT is because by now I'm sure that you already know what it is. But for those of you that don't know, it's an AI discussion tool that you're going to be able to sign up to for completely free. And the way that you're going to be able to do that is by going over to this website over here called chat.openai.com. Then it's going to be a simple job of just clicking on sign up and verifying your phone number, verifying your email address. And once you have logged in, this is going to be a similar page to what you're going to see. And you're going to be able to type in any question over here, but specifically with the video that I'm making today, I want to show you exactly how I've been using it when it comes to finding winning products to sell. So if we just start off with exactly how you can find a winning product to sell on Amazon, and as you can see, I started a chat already and I asked it to tell me the 10 popular products to sell on Amazon that are non-branded. And the reason why I specified non-branded is because if you don't do that, it's going to come back and tell you products like MacBooks, Microsoft products, even some Amazon branded products too. And of course, when it comes to building your own e-commerce business, you need to stay away from branded items initially because it's going to be really difficult when it comes to sourcing them, and you're not really going to be able to build a solid foundation with your business. So I like to focus on non-branded items when it comes to building a brand new e-com store. And as you can see, it came back and told me all of these different non-branded items that I could sell on Amazon, things like bamboo cutting boards, organic cotton towels, foldable storage bins, bath bombs, wireless chargers, all of these different items that I didn't necessarily have in my mind before I started using ChatGPT. I've now got some sort of an idea of exactly how I can go away and start doing product research. And the product research tool that I like to use specifically when it comes to selling on Amazon is Helium 10, because you're going to be able to use it when it comes to seeing so much data that's going to be able to help you make a decision on if you're looking at the right product or not. And the way that it works is very simple, because once you've installed the Google Chrome extension tool, all you're simply going to do is type in the name of the item right here. So in this case, I'm going to search for the first one in the list that ChatGPT gave me, which is bamboo cutting board. So I'm just going to copy it just like that. Then what I'm going to do is just paste it in there and then click on search. So these are some of the bamboo cutting boards as you can see in the Amazon results. But before I even do anything on this page, what I tend to do is click on the actual Google Chrome extension tool. And then I click on this option over here where it says X-ray Amazon product research. And straight away was able to come back with a lot of this useful information. For example, how much money has been spent on this particular item over the last 30 days. And as you guys can see over here, it's over $1.2 million. And I can also see the exact models and the exact designs that customers are buying the most right now, so that when it comes time for me to source whatever product I'm going to sell, I'm going to be able to get a better idea of exactly which one is best for me to sell, for me to have the best results. But one of the most important things that you need to do if you are planning on using Helium 10 is to make sure that you scroll over here to where it says review count. Then what you want to do is just look at the sellers that have the lowest reviews. So for example, if we just scroll through, there's this seller over here that has around 39. However, if we scroll to the side and look at how much revenue they brought in over the last month, we can see that it's over $15,000. And the reason why you want to do this is because when you start selling an item yourself, of course you're not going to have any reviews because you're going to be a brand new seller. So you want to kind of get an idea on exactly how much you're going to make with your low reviews if you do decide to sell the exact same product. And of course there's a lot more that goes into selling on Amazon. I just wanted to give you those basic things that you need to be aware of, but let's move over to using ChatGPT to find a winning product to sell on eBay. So as you can see, I started another chat and I asked it to tell me the 10 popular non-branded items that are selling well on eBay. And within a few seconds, it was able to come back and tell me products like phone cases, jewelry, beauty skincare, home decor. But if we go down to number 9, we can see that it says pet supplies. So I then asked it to tell me the top 10 popular items from pet supplies, and it was able to give me all of these different ideas that I could go away and do research into. For example, dog and cat food, toys, beds, grooming supplies. But the item that I'm going to go away and do a little bit more research into is this one over here, which is orthopedic beds. And the product research tool that I use when it comes to finding products to sell on eBay is Zeek Analytics. So as you can see, I've just logged into my account, and what I'm going to do is click on product research at the top over here. Then what I'm going to do is just change the shipping location to the United States and change the eBay site to ebay.com and then click on search. Okay, so as you guys can see, only $26,000 has been spent on this item in the last 30 days. It does, however, have a successful listing rate of over 71%. But for me, ideally, when it comes to deciding on selling any product on eBay, I like to make sure that the sales earnings is above 40, maybe 50, $60,000. But of course, if you wanted to find another winning product that a lot more money is being spent on it on a monthly basis because you want to increase your chances of you being able to make more money, then you can just jump back onto ChatGPT and type in something along the lines of, can you give me 10 non-branded products that are sold on eBay that are really popular? And then just click on enter. And as you can see, it went straight to work within a matter of seconds to tell me all of these different items. So if we take a look at product number 9, which is smartwatches, jump back over to Zeek Analytics and just paste it in there just like that. Right there, as you guys can see, over $123,000 has been spent on this item in the last 30 days on ebay.com alone. And the successful listing rate is above 93%, which means that if you was to list this item yourself, you've got an almost 100% likelihood of being able to make a sale. And again, there's a lot more that goes into selling on eBay, but let's go over to finding a winning product to sell on Shopify. And for me personally, when it comes to building Shopify stores, the way that I like to get customers onto my website is by using Google Shopping ads. And because of that, I like to use Google Trends when it comes to helping me get an idea of exactly which keywords customers are searching for the most. And the way that ChatGPT is going to be able to help with this, if we just jump back over to it, as you can see, I asked it to tell me the 10 popular non-branded items that are searched for on Google, and straight away it came back and told me all of these different items, and all of them look really good, but the one I'm going to do research into is number 6, which is robot vacuum cleaner. If we just copy that, jump back over to Google Trends and paste it in there just like that, straight away just by looking at this chart, we can see that since 2005 to around 2007, no one really cared about robot vacuum cleaners, but ever since 2016, more and more people have been going onto Google to search for this particular search term, which means that if I went onto a website like AliExpress for me to find a robot vacuum cleaner for me to start selling, I'm going to be able to have an increased chance of me being able to make a sale. And that's the reason why, if we take a look at Google Shopping, all of these different sellers are most likely making a decent amount of money, because we can see on AliExpress right now there's this robot cleaning device that's available for around $87, and we can also see that the exact same one is also available for sale from this e-commerce seller for almost $368. But of course, there's a lot more that goes into starting an e-commerce business on any one of these 3 different platforms, whether Amazon, eBay, or Shopify. I just wanted to give you the basic things that you need to know when it comes to using ChatGPT to help you find a winning product that you can start selling, and some of the most important things that you need to know when it comes to doing product research. And don't forget that if you want to sign up to any one of the product research softwares that I went through in today's video, for example, Helium 10 or Zeek Analytics, so that you can go away after watching this video, do your own product research and find your own winning product to sell, then I've got discounted links and trial links in my description down below. And if you also want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago where I break down everything you need to know step by step when it comes to starting an e-commerce business as a complete beginner, then make sure you click the link right there. Check that out straight after this one, because it's already helped out so many people, and I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.